Hello everyone, welcome back to FixEdge. Is your Windows 10 PC really secure? Keep your PC safe without installing third-party software. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to use Windows 10's built-in security features to protect your system from viruses, malware and hackers. So without further delay, let's get started. First, we need to open the Windows Security. Go to search for Windows Security. Hit the enter key. This is the control center for all built-in protections in Windows 10. First, in this Windows Security window, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection setting. Here, make sure Real-Time Protection and Cloud Delivered Protection are turned on. This keeps your PC protected against malware and new threats. If it is not turned on, you just toggle the buttons and turn on. You can also run a quick scan from here. Come back to the main page, and next one is Firewall and Network Protection. Click on that. Here, ensure your firewall is enabled for domain network, private network and public network. This helps to block unauthorized access to your system. So if it is not turned on, you just turn on those. Again, get back to the main page. Click on the Virus and Threat Protection again. Scroll down. Here, Ransomware Protection option is there. Click on Manage Ransomware Protection. Here we need to enable the controlled folder access. If it is off, just toggle the button, it will be on. Click on Yes for the prompt. This prevents the malicious apps from making changes to important files without your permission. Or else, under this protected folder options, you can also add specific folders you want to protect. By default, it will protect system default files. If you want any extra files, you can add from this Add a Protected Folder option. Come to the first page again. Next one is App and Browser Control. Under App and Browser Control, turn on the Reputation Based Protection. It's already turned on. In your case, it is not turned on, means turn on that one. This blocks the dangerous downloads and apps from running on your PC. Again, go back to the main page. Here one more option is there, Account Protection. Click on that. Here, enable the Windows Hello Sign-in options like PIN or Fingerprint if available. It's already enabled for my Windows. And Dynamic Lock. When you click on Dynamic Lock settings, it will ask you want to allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you are away. If you click on this checkbox, your system will pair with your phone, and when you are away, the system will automatically lock. Like your phone, if phone is inactive about 10 seconds or 30 seconds, automatically it will lock. No, like that, system will lock. So this adds an extra layer security for your login. And that's it. By enabling these built-in features, you have made your Windows 10 PC much safer without installing any third-party softwares. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for FixEdge. Thank you for watching.